how to connect apps in your ChatGPT account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can connect apps with your ChatGPT account. So connecting with your ChatGPT account with your apps is currently very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply click over to your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen, and once you do so, you will see this menu appearing right here on the left hand side. Now from this particular menu, click onto this settings button right here, and it will open this pop-up. Now in this particular pop-up, choose the apps option, and within the apps you can see add and manage app ChatGPT can use in your chats. So from here, click onto the explore apps, and within the explore apps you can see a number of different apps that you can successfully connect. So here it include apps like Adobe Photoshop, Apple Music, Canva, Figma, and many more. You can also sort them around like lifestyle or productivity app, or simply search for one using the search bar given at the top. Now, for example, you wish to install any particular app, so simply click onto it and then click onto this connect option. Once you will click onto the connect option, you will need to authenticate yourself, and after authenticating yourself you will be able to successfully connect your app with the chat gpt. As you can see, in the case of GitHub, I will simply need to authorize it, and GitHub and my chat gpt will be successfully connected. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.